मेरा नाम पांची देवी और दक्षिणपुरी में रहती हूँ। दर्द होता था, काफ़ी दिनों से हो रहा था कि हमने सोचा पता नहीं ऐसे होता रहता, काम पे जाते हैं। खड़ा नहीं हो पाती थी कि वो पेट बहुत हो गया था कि और हमेशा जब मर्जी दर्द भी चल जाता था तो गोली खाया और अपने टाइम पास किया, काम करा। किसी ने हमें बोला कि आप अल्ट्रासाउंड करा लो, उसमें होता कि लेडीज़ों को प्रॉब्लम आती रहती है। फिर हमने अल्ट्रासाउंड कराया, हम डॉक्टर साहब के पास गए वही अल्ट्रासाउंड लेके, फिर उन्होंने हमारा टेस्ट किए सारा। जो टेस्ट किया उसमें बोलो आप पे बहुत बड़ा, जो बता रहे हैं वही ट्यूमर मतलब बड़ा था। फिर उन्होंने कि ऑपरेशन ही होना है इसका, तो कोई और इलाज ही नहीं है, बच्चादानी जो भी है सब कुछ हटाना है।
A major surgery through small holes in the tummy. She was in hospital only for 1 day, and she went home the very next day walking on her own.
अब तो ठीक हो गई, बहुत अच्छी हो गई। पहले तो चलने में भी बहुत दिक्कत होती थी, चलती थी तो ऐसे समझ में नहीं आता था, पैर से नहीं चला जाता, पता नहीं क्या अजीब तरह। अब तो सही चल भी सही लेती हूँ।
Endoscopic surgery in all fields, not only in gynecology, has really revolutionized surgery.
The endoscope allows us to look inside and make an accurate diagnosis, if necessary to take a biopsy, without a major surgical procedure. Previously, if we wanted to look inside, we had to open the whole of the tummy, make a large incision and look inside. Now through a 0.5 millimeter opening, you can put in an endoscope, look inside, have an accurate diagnosis, make pictures of it, which is the other advantage, and take biopsies.
On a personal basis, one tries to take this novelty of treatment or procedure to many places. I am operating not only in India, but I go outside India. Most of the SAARC countries I've operated in. So we are trying to give this benefit to the women who really need this.
I'm very proud of him because he has really gone much further. He's also started teaching, giving degrees, is recognized by the local college.
So when I came and I saw him, I was happy that thank God that he's real. I've seen the person I've been chatting with over 3 months. So that was I resumed on the 6th, being Monday. On Tuesday we had surgeries. We had 2 or 3 surgeries. Total laparoscopic hysterectomy and cystectomy. It was fantastic. It was fascinating. It's all like, oh, thank God he's quite real and he has his skills. Even if I live here today and I did not actually do so well, which I think I will, for sure I will not blame it on him because I have had enough exposure.
My vision is that such centers should be all over the world. Such centers of excellence providing care to the woman who's the mainstay should be all over the world so that they don't need to suffer anymore. So I would like to open such centers or be associated with such centers all over the world, first starting with our own country and then of course across the world.
Well, extremely proud of all that he's gone about achieving, and more importantly how he's gone about achieving it. There is always a goal that one has, but I think equally important is the path that leads to that goal, and he's tread that path very well, I think.